The dog barks loudly. It's a dog. Nouns represents an animals and birds. She reads a book. It's a book. Nouns represents an objects and things. I ate an apple. It's an apple. Nouns represents an objects and things. Here is a tricky question. Identify the two nouns. The cat sleeps on the couch. It's a cat and couch. Nouns represents an animals, birds and things. She writes a letter. It's a letter. Nouns represents an objects and things. The bird flies high. It's a bird. Nouns represents an animals and birds. He explores the forest calmly. It's a forest. Nouns represents a place. They climb the mountain. It's a mountain. Nouns represents a place. The train moves swiftly. It's a train. Nouns represents an objects and vehicles. The river flows peacefully. It's a river. Nouns represents a natural objects and things. Here is a tricky question. Identify the two nouns. The artist creates a masterpiece. It's an artist and masterpiece. Nouns represents a person and an objects. These are all tall buildings. It's a building. Nouns represents a structures and things. The team achieves success together. It's a team and success. Nouns represents a group and an outcome. We organize the event efficiently. It's an event. Nouns represents an occasion. The scientist conducts a research rigorously. It's a scientist and research. Nouns represents a person and activities. She manages the project diligently. It's a project. Nouns represents a task.